There is just something wonderful about listening to music on vinyl, and some people say there is no better sounding musical format out there. The only problem, you might think, is that to get a really good record player, you need to shell out tons of money, right? Wrong. We left no stone unturned and spent many hours reading customer and expert reviews and digging into every detail to give you an in-depth analysis of some of the best record player out there. Today we are going to review top 5 record player of 2021, and we are going to start our list with Pioneer PLX 1000. Whereas lots of the other players are gonna be minimalistic in their design, this one is quite substantial. It is built to be both durable and easy to use. It will provide you with plenty of custom listening experiences, as the tempo controls are top-notch. You can even preset the speeds to any speeds of your choice, making it easier to utilize a fast speed for a faster and better listening experience. Note that the player is not set up with a built-in phono preamp, which means you'll have to purchase one separately. It also doesn't come with a stylus or a cartridge. This makes it one of the most expensive players on the market, but it's worth your money, since you can upgrade this record player as you wish with the best pieces you can find in the market. And as always, the link in the description below. The next record player in our list is Regal Planar 2. This turntable features an acrylic laminated body, which makes it nice and rigid. This helps to create a vibration-free playback that will make your records sound great. The only problem with this playback, of course, is that it can only be completed at 2 speeds, which are 33 and 45 revolutions per minute. While the player is a bit trickier to hook up since it doesn't have a built-in phono stage, it is really easy to play once you have it all set up. This is due to the high-quality, low-friction tone arm, which makes this a great player for newcomers and seasoned DJs alike. The next turntables in our list is Fluence RT81. This is, without a doubt, one of the best looking turntables out there. Of course, this player isn't just about looks. It is super easy to set up right out of the box. Its DC motor drives the platter, which can handle speeds of 33 or 45 revolutions per minute. While the player is easy to set to its speeds, they are not always consistent, which might lead to some playback issues. The stylus is of high quality and should last you a good long time, which is definitely good news for a record player under $1,000. While you can control the weight with which the stylus pushes down onto the record, which is essential for consistent playback, you might notice a bit of vibration with this player. However, this will only occur on faster tracks or some with heavier bass sections. The second best turntables in our list is Project Debut Carbon DC. Not only is this a beautiful looking turntable, but it is also easy to use. Its best feature is by far the advanced motor. The motor is not connected directly to the body of the turntable. This helps it to have little to no motor vibration during playback, which helps to give it a great sound, easy to control speeds and makes it energy efficient. The simplistic design of the player also helps the playing experience. Since there are not a whole bunch of moving parts, the player has superior rigidity, which will give you a low vibration and great sound quality. The RCA jacks that come with the player are not the best, but luckily, can be easily detached and upgraded. Which you will have to do if you want to get the very best sound out of the system as possible. The top and best turntable on our list is Audio-Technica at LP120 USB. The very first thing that jumps out at you with this player is the great design of the tone arm. Since it is an S-arm design, it is quick and easy to get it set up, regardless of the types of records that you want to play. It is easily adjustable, which allows you to get just the right amount of weight on the stylus to make sure that you don't have any issues while you are listening. Another awesome feature is the USB port on the side of the player. This allows you to connect it to your computer and, with the appropriate software, save your music off of your vinyl onto your computer. This makes it easy to save and preserve all of your classic records in a more modern format. The controls, while not overly customizable, give you the ability to both control the pitch and speed of your records. This makes it simple to get a great sound, which is so essential for an ideal audiophile turntable. The stylus is of great quality and should last for a good long time. The player is relatively heavy, but not so much so that you couldn't take it along with you as you travel about. Turntable setup video attached will guide you through if you pick this particular model. And if you are highly passionate about turntables, you can go with this without any hesitation. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.